Hi, answer me this. Would you like to be one step ahead of the game? If so, then take some time to watch this short video. It will help you to achieve exactly that.
This is for people who like DIY projects. Most of the plans are labeled beginner, intermediate or advanced, which is helpful. Even if you've never built anything or done any woodworking, this is a pretty good set of plans to get going with because there are beginner projects included. You can build all kinds of stuff for your home. See the list of plan categories below. At the end of the day, if you do the odd DIY project or dabble in woodworking, this is a decent set of plans to have in your inventory.
Thanks you guys for watching this video. I hope this review helped in one way or another. Make sure to click the link in the description to receive our special discounted promo price.